Okay. This is our video number 1. That's the most important video at the moment, if you are just starting. Okay, so I would like to congratulate you for take the first step to your financial freedom. So after you've been doing some research and learning about this business, you decided that's the time for you to start change your life financially. So you need to go back to the person who introduced you to this business and get the registration link. So I'm going to show you how to do that. Okay, after you have your registration link, you click the registration link of your sponsor, the person who introduced you to the business. And now what you're going to do, when you click the link, you're gonna arrive on this page. Okay, so I'm gonna register one account so I can show you how to do it. Okay, so let's see, I'm gonna do one account for my son, step by step. First name, last name, date of birth, let's say. Okay. So when you register with someone, your sponsor name is gonna be here. Okay, gonna be here. Shouldn't do it because I won't be able to register. Okay. Username, let's say I'm gonna put his own name. Telephone. Okay. Just adding a number here. Okay. Email. I'm gonna put add one here because I think I already got email account with this. Password. You put a password. Okay. Now you create a PIN number. Is a 6 number. Okay. I'm gonna put a number here, just any number, and that'll be changed as soon as I finish here. No. Any number. I'm gonna keep the number so I can change. Okay. So now I register. Please enter the valid email. Valid email. Maybe they are not accepting. Or maybe because this email already exists. Okay, let me see here. So you need to have one email per account, okay? Vamos ver. Yes, let's see if we can go with this email. Yes. So it's one email per account, okay? And if you need to open another account, it need to be different login and different email account, as you could see here. Okay, so I have created an account, it's very important that you watch this video every time you log in. When you pay for your package, this video here will disappear, okay? So now you can see that I open his account. So make sure you have a valid email, Gmail, okay? And the right login. Okay, so now you have registered. So the second step now is for you to set up your account correctly so you can start working your business the right way, okay? So the second step now is once you when you register, you go straight to your back office, okay? So the second thing to do, you go to the top right corner here where you can see your login and also your ID number. So you click and go to account settings, okay? You can go account settings here, or you can go on your right, on your left as well and click account settings. But I think I always teach the leaders and the members to go to the top right corner because you already know, you can see here. Okay, so you click that and account settings. So now you're gonna set up your account, okay? Upload avatar, you can put your avatar or you can upload your image, okay? Yeah, so let me just see if I can put another any photo here so you can have some idea, and then I can change. Documents, I have some. Okay, let's say $500 photo. That's a good value. So you can see here at the top right corner that you can see the image, okay? So you put your avatar or your photo, and then it's already done here. Now the other thing you need to do is your general profile settings, where you can put your names, okay? Again, let's say I'm gonna put now last name first. Okay. Okay. And then you select your country. Okay. Gender, date of birth, your telephone, your address if you like. You make sure that the name of your account is the correct name, because maybe in the future they will ask for documentation. I don't know. At the moment, they are okay. Okay, so make sure you put your right name. It's one account per member. And then you already create your password, and then you click and I say I'm gonna put some address here. Okay, and then click Save Settings. Settings have been successfully changed. Can see. Okay, the most important one also is about you select the currency that you want to receive your commission, okay? So if you want to receive in BTC, in Bitcoin, you put your BTC wallet here, okay? Put your number here and click check. If you want to receive perfect money, you click your perfect money ID here and then click check, and then just follow the instruction. Ethereum, the same thing. So you can receive with Bitcoin, perfect money, and Ethereum, okay? And then you click check and then follow the instructions, what you need to do next. I don't have my BTC, his BTC wallet here, but I will put it later. Okay, now the company is recommending everyone, okay, just repeating, everyone to do the Google Authenticator to save some kind of trouble in the future when someone enter in your account that is not you. Okay, it's very important. So if you have your account, you're setting up your account, do please the Google Authenticator. Okay, so you choose which one you want. Okay, and copy this code, and then when it's set up, they will give you a 6-digit number, and then you add here and then click confirm. I think a lot of people already have this. If you don't, go to YouTube or any other Google or something and ask how to do the Google authentication, but that is very, very simple. Okay, because a lot of people ask, a lot of company ask for Google authentication. It's very important to secure your account, your commission, your identity. Is very, very important, because as the time you are now about people doing lots of online business transactions, there are lots of hackers out there. They are keeping eye on people, account people's business. So make sure you do your Google authentication. So that's the one thing: you register, you set up your account, your BTC wallet, and your Google authentication. This is very, very important. Okay, so that's what we're gonna do in these videos. This is a video number 1 on how to register and do all the setting up properly, correctly. I'll see you on the next video.